Welcome to Lakeshore RV. We're going to go through your Cougar half-ton. In the very front compartment, you're going to have your spare tire, your 12-volt battery. You're eligible to put another battery in if needed. Your docking lights, one's going to be the amber light on the front. One's going to be the little light above the tongue on the fifth wheel. This light here is a little manual light, has a switch. Right to the right on the driver's side, you're going to have the VIN, model, serial, everything you need. Two 30-pound LP tanks, both full. Regulator's going to be on the passenger side. Big pass-through area. 50-amp cord. Your leveling system is here. So you'll push the power button. When your truck's out of the way, you'll hit auto level. It'll level your jacks. Now when you are going to leave from camping, you're going to hit retract. Push and hold the rear. That's going to bring up all your rear jacks. Now if that retract is not lit, that means extend. Now if you want to just extend the front, you'll push and hold front. So depending on what you want to do, retract or extend, and then what you want to do with what leg. Your connections here, outdoor shower, winterization port is here. You have the water heater bypass valve as well as your winterizing valve. So if you're going to winterize, make sure your winterizing valve is on, as well as your water heater bypass. City water connection is here, so you're using the pressure off the hose. You won't need a water pump on. Right beneath that, that's going to be your black tank flush. If your black tank is full, do not use your flush system until your valves are open. And then here is another tank flush. That's going to be for the rear. To the right, you got your battery disconnect, key TV input, as well as a solar panel input. If you mistake or forget how to run your leveling system, there is a little cheat sheet there. Connection for your sewer is going to be underneath the main slide. And then there's another one on the back. And the back slide. So you'll have two connections. In the far driver rear corner, you're going to have a fresh water connection. Now that's going to be filling the tank on the unit. You're going to want the water pump. You got the 50-amp hookup. Now on the passenger rear side, you got the outdoor entertainment center. And just remember, this fridge will not power up unless you're short power. As well as this grill. This grill here has an LP hose. You'll drop it down, connect right into this line there. Outdoor sink. Switch here controls the light inside there. Outdoor speakers are controlled from the radio inside. This is condensation line for your fridge. It's alright if it drips a little bit. Your exhaust gets extremely hot when you turn your furnace on, so before you power it up, make sure there's nothing against it or standing near it. It will burn it. Water heater. Here is the other side of your pass-through. Tank heater, so if you're gonna be camping where it's gonna drop pretty cold, turn on your tank heater so nothing freezes. Output for my key TV for the outside TV. Here's your other 30-pound LP tank. Your regulator's on the top there. To point it to the front, you're going to point it to the front to use this tank right here. Point it to the rear to use passenger side tank. They are both full. Going inside your unit now. Inside your unit is an in-command system right in the hallway. You can get the app. You'll push the power button. Your password is going to be 4 zeros until you go into settings and change it. HVAC, that's also going to be heat controlling in your unit. Lights. Push the back button. Slides and awnings. And then settings. Here's your levels across the top. It shows your battery voltage on the very bottom left corner. Turn on a water pump, water heater, whatever you need to do is all controlled right here. We're going to start from your bedroom and then make our way to the back end. Here's the bedroom, master bedroom. You are prepped for another AC if you decide to get one later on. Key TV hookup here, as well as a bracket mount for your TV in the master bedroom. Light switch here will control the lights in your bedroom. You have 2 USBs as well as 120 outlets at each side for charging devices. Slide, when you're bringing your slide in and out, make sure your doors are shut in the bedroom. Otherwise, it'll be too late before you realize it. Master bedroom, bathroom, pretty self-explanatory. You do have a GFI breaker right next to the sink. Walking our way back to the kitchen. The kitchen there, your keys are on your sink. I'm going to turn on the heat. So you'll hit HVAC. We don't have a front AC, so just remember that, guys. Turn the heat on. Now, coming into your unit here, you do have you have your fireplace here. You can set different temp. And then your audio. Audio zone 2 is going to be outside, zone 1 is going to be inside. You can have both on, both off. One on, one off. It doesn't matter. Just remember, fireplace, TV, will not power up unless you hook to shore power. Best indicator if you got shore power is going to be your microwave. If your microwave is lit up, you have shore power. Right below, excuse me, right below on the dials here for your stovetop, you're just going to go over the little flame. Use your igniter on the left side. It's going to be like outside grill. Right below that, fuses, breakers. The fuses, if they pop, they're going to be a red LED when you hit the button for whatever you're trying to do. If they're all good, check your GFI breakers before you freak out. Carbon monoxide alarm. Your fridge is going to be propane or shore power. You'll have it on auto, and then it'll choose if you don't want to use your propane when you are disconnected, just power it down. Dimmer switch on this slide, tap to turn it on, push and hold to adjust the brightness. This switch here is going to control the living room lights. This is your thermostat. Your second bathroom in here. Full shower, bath. Pretty self-explanatory. Coming into the back room, into the bunk room. Your bunk room, just make sure when you're bringing your slide in that these cabinets on the left side, as well as those ones, are all shut. Otherwise, they will destroy the doors. And that's going to complete our video. If you guys need anything, I'll see you at hookup. Thank you. Bye.